Okay guys, this is a recording from my grade 9 class, and we're going to go to our last stages of the poster design. And what I want to do right now is show you guys a way to save this document, exactly your analysis, and then the process in terms of how you're going to submit it to me, okay? So here we go. Here's poster analysis 1. You guys know what we did. We studied the foreground, the middle ground, background, and now we want to save all this work that we've done, right? So here's what I'd like you to do. Because this package could get so large in file size, in terms of the file size, I want to start off with using this method. Save for web first. So let's say this is page 1 of your analysis. You go File, Save for Web, and click on JPEG over here and quality 80. You will see that roughly a 3 meg file is down to 200 kilobytes, which is absolutely nothing. And if you press Command minus, you will see your whole document. Zoom in, and you can see between the 100% file and the 80% is not much loss. So I'm going to come over here and select Save, Poster Analysis AB for my initials, Alexi, Balian, Poster Analysis JPEG, boom, save that, done. I'm going to go to my second page, File, again, Save for Web, and again we were good at 80%. The setting here at JPEG is the same, 80, fantastic, beautiful reduction under 200 kilobytes, and I will go again AB underscore poster analysis, basically my page 2, boom, save, and I'll just go one more and File, Save As, it's okay. Save as, oh, my apologies, I was just talking to someone there. Save for web, and 80% good to go, JPEG, and I will keep this as AB, again, underscore JPEG, awesome. So what I want to do is convert each of these pages, including the process one, where let's pretend this is the final one, okay? For a second, I'm going to change this to I'm going to call I'm going to call this poster design process. Okay, let's pretend that this is really your work here. Okay, this is the stage where you made up your own sketch of what you want your poster to look like. Here's the final poster and a number of layers you use. Obviously there's minimal here, not much. I'm going to show you how I did this. Okay, so right now let's say I should have opened another file, but that's okay. I want a copy of this area. In Apple, for example, on a Mac platform, Command-Shift-4 gives you this idea here, this icon. You see this little cursor, crosshair? So what I want to do is I want to take a snapshot of my layers, okay? Boom, took a picture, and now it's on my desktop, right? So I have this file, place, right? And I'm going to go to my desktop quickly, and down here, 3 o'clock today, class time, brought it in. Hold shift to resize, of course, we always hold shift. Boom, pause it here, and return. Now if you like, you can even lower the opacity on this, just a touch, so that this becomes the focal point and not everything else. Clearly you guys are going to have a minimum of 3 layers, foreground, middle, and background, plus the elements, then you have your title, then the movie credits, so you're going to end up easily 8 to 10 layers, okay? So this shows me the layers, this is the final poster. There's the process. Fantastic. Let's do this. File, Save for Web, and we'll go 80% set up already. Fantastic. And I'm going to put my initials here, AB underscore poster design process. Okay, done. Sweet. So now I'm going to start opening these pages in Photoshop, and you will notice because they are JPEG, you won't see any of these layers. Okay, so for example, Command O or File Open or Control O on Windows Station, no worries. So I'll go JPEG. Actually, I should just open all of them. Hold Shift and open all my pages. Boom. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of my PSD docs, which are my Photoshop documents. Save, please. Boom. Close my PSD again, and get rid of that one. Save. Okay, and I'm just going to close these and open it up for you guys, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Just bear with me. Is there another PSD document? Bye-bye. Save. Thank you very much. Here we go. Page 1, JPEG. Notice my layers are blank, basically one solid background. So this is cool. Since I don't want a bunch of files from you guys, I want one Adobe Acrobat PDF file. I'm just going to do this now. File, instead of save for web, I'm just going to go save as, and AB poster analysis. Instead of JPEG, I'm going to go to Photoshop PDF. Same page, boom, done. Awesome, thank you. And keep all the presets, say yes. Go to the second one, Command Shift S does the same thing, but save as. Change it to from JPEG to Photoshop PDF. Save and accept everything. Don't show again, please. Let's go. Done. And the third page, for example, files, save as. And let's change this from JPEG to Photoshop PDF. Go. And that's done. And last page is this one, file, save as. And again, we know JPEG to change to Photoshop PDF. So let's see what's good about this. Why are we doing this? You will see in a moment, people. I'm going to come in here into my folder here quickly, and in my poster, final poster here, and I'm going to go by kind. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open page 1, 2, and 3. And let's see, actually they're here. Boom. I'm going to open with. I want everybody to right click. Sometimes the Apple preview will kick in, and I don't want that. I want you to open it with Acrobat Pro, and you'll see in a second. Actually, which one is this? Design process? Here, I'm going to actually make your life simpler here. I'm only going to open the first page, which is what's cool about this. Okay, so watch this now. I'm going to make this a little smaller, and I'm rushing, guys. I know the bell's going to go soon, all right? So here it is. Here's my page 1. Okay, poster analysis 1, fantastic. Come over here, and I have 3 more to go here. So click on number 2 and just simply drag it down here. So there's page 2, and you should be under here. So there's 1, 2. I'm going to go grab page 3, slide that over. Awesome, 1, 2, 3. And then the last one's poster design. And I would recommend you guys have a 5th page, which is the final poster on its own, and just say final poster. Okay, so here's in this document, which is named Poster Analysis 01, I'm going to rename this file, save as, PDF, and I'm going to come down here, AB, poster, and I'm going to call this the package. Okay, and now at this time, watch how cool this is. It changes, and if I slide all the way up, so for me, it's going to be really easy for me to evaluate your work, right? We'll come here, page 1, awesome, page 2, click down, page 3, poster design, process, and the final one will be final. All that in one package. Okay, guys, thank you for this. It was a quick tutorial, but I'll save my work, and then we'll go from there. Okay, and this will be uploaded today for you guys, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much.